In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Trello. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form or sign document you want to connect with Trello and click Edit. In the editor, open the Settings tab, then click Integrations. Use the search bar to search for Trello and select it from the results. Click Authenticate, then sign into your Trello account and authorize Jotform to access your workspace. After the connection is complete, choose Create a new card as the action. Select the Trello board where you want new cards to be created. Next, map your Jotform fields to the Trello card fields. For example, you can map the form's name field to the card title and other fields to the card description or other available fields. Once you've finished mapping the fields, click Finish Setup or Complete to save the integration. To test everything, send your signed document and complete it. After the document is submitted, Jotform will automatically create a new card in your selected Trello board with the mapped information. That's how to integrate Jotform Sign with Trello. Thanks for watching.